Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. English Daily Fun. Today we will practice listening. We will understand English clearly, slowly, step by step. Take a deep breath, relax your body, focus your mind. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Why listening is important. To understand English, you must listen carefully. Listening helps your brain. It helps you learn sounds. It helps you learn new words. Do not rush. Slow listening is powerful. Listen first, speak later. Part 2. Listen to simple sentences. Now, listen carefully. I am at home. I am reading a book. The weather is nice today. I feel happy. Listen again. I am at home. Pause. I am reading a book. Pause. Now repeat after me. Pause. Very good. Part 3. Understand meaning. When you listen, ask yourself, who, what, where? Example, Maria is in the kitchen. She is cooking dinner. Who is in the kitchen? Maria. What is she doing? She is cooking dinner. This is how you understand clearly. Part 4. Short conversation practice. Listen to this conversation. I am going to the store. What will you buy? B. I will buy some fruit. Now answer. Where is B going? Pause. To the store. What will B buy? Pause. Some fruit. Now repeat the conversation slowly. Excellent. Part 5. Listening for details. Listen carefully. Tom wakes up at 7 a.m. He drinks coffee. He goes to work by car. He starts work at 8 a.m. Now answer. What time does Tom wake up? Pause. 7 a.m. How does he go to work? Pause. By car. Very good. Listening is not only hearing, it is understanding. Part 6. Learn new words. Here are today's words. Quiet. Loud. Clear. Fast. Fast. Listen to examples. The room is quiet. The music is loud. Her voice is clear. Please speak slow. He walks fast. Now repeat. Her voice is clear. Pause. Please speak slow. Pause. Good job. Part 7. Mini story listening. Now listen to a short story. Anna is a student. She wants to learn English. She listens to English every day. She listens slowly. She repeats every sentence. Now she understands English better. Why does Anna listen every day? Because she wants to learn English. Why does she understand better now? Because she practices daily. You can do this too. Part 8. Speaking practice. Now it is your turn. Answer these questions out loud. Do you listen to English every day? Pause. How many minutes do you practice? Pause. Do you prefer slow or fast English? Pause. Speak clearly. You are training your brain. Part 9. Daily listening habit. To understand English clearly, listen every day. Start with slow audio. Repeat many times. Do not stop. 5 minutes a day is good. 10 minutes is better. Small practice, big progress. Outro, calm voice. You are learning. You are improving. You are understanding more each day. Thank you for listening to Mr. English Daily Fun. See you in the next episode. Keep listening. Keep practicing. Goodbye.